We were doing it on employee table.
Yeah, yes. So we have different types of data types, and what are they? Numeric data types and string. So did you read this PPT?
Yeah, I read it. I read it.
Yeah, data types and so how many types of data types? String data type and numeric data type, JSON data
Yeah,
type.
yeah.
So we have seen just only on string data type and numeric data type, data types. So we did not
Yeah.
see that JSON data type. Today I'm
No.
showing you that JSON data type.
Okay. We will use JSON data type only in certain MongoDB, right?
Yeah, yes. So frequently used in that non-relational, so that is come under non-relational databases. So
Okay.
non-relational database like documents.
Yeah.
So that is not in tabular form.
Okay.
Yeah, MongoDB is in document format. So already I have kept one example here. So here, see that. See this example. So non-relational database in this format.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the JSON format. So just remember the data types. I'm showing you according to that data types how to create the tables with the JSON format.
Okay.
So yesterday we have done that DDL commands: create, alter, rename, and drop, truncate.
Okay.
So next one, DML commands. So DML means data manipulation. Manipulation means if you want to insert the data into the table, if you want to insert the records or values into the table, you have to use the insert command. So next
Okay.
one, update means already. So if you want to update any values from the columns, so you have to use the update command. So next one,
Okay.
delete is used to delete the records. So we have
Drop.
in the
Yeah.
DDL commands, drop
We
and
have
truncate
drop
is
one.
there.
Yeah.
So drop command is used to delete the column or table from the database permanently.
Yeah.
And truncate command is used to delete all the rows from the table permanent. It will delete records permanently, but delete
Yeah.
the record. So just delete command is used to delete the records. So we can also again we can insert the records.
Okay.
So just so first one, insert command. So insert command is used to insert the values. So values means records or tuples. So we can also call it as tuples. So see that in syntax, insert into table name, column 1, column 2, so on. So values, value 1, value 2. So yesterday we have created so our table is new employee, right?
Yeah.
So to switch automatically, just we have to use keyword. Use Fratello. So it will switch automatically to our database. Just I am retrieving the data from new employee table. So yesterday we have inserted 3 records. So yesterday we have inserted 3 records to how to work that truncate command.
Okay.
Yeah. So again I am showing insert command. Just insert command is used to inserting the values. So already we have inserted 3 values. So again I am inserting two more values.
Okay.
So our table name is
Employee. Yeah, new employee.
So next one, column names. Our column names ID, name, age, hire date. So next one, employee salary. Next, values. So just I'm inserting. So I'm following the syntax.
Okay.
So ID 104. Already we have inserted up to 103. Just I'm inserting 104 and name. I'm giving next age column. So 20. I'm giving age. So dates. Next one, salary 30,000. So if you want to insert one more record, just copy the record. Then paste it. So I'm changing the value for 105. So just I'm changing the age 25. Date we can give any date. So next I'm changing the salary 50,000. So just select the query and execute it. Zero errors. So to retrieve the data, we are using select command. That is in DRL command. Select star from new employee. So just I'm retrieving the data from our table. See that. So I have inserted two more records, 105 and 105. So in this way, we are inserting the values into the table by using the insert command. Suppose if you want to update the values, so you have to use the update command. So we are updating the so with the update command we are using the where class. If you are not using where class, so it will update with the same value for all columns. Sorry, all records. Suppose I am updating the age for something. So 105 Ritika. So I am updating two columns, age
Okay.
and employee salary. So update our table name, new employee. So before updating, we have to set the values. Set column name, age equals to something I'm giving 30. I want to update one more column, new employee, something employee salary. So employee salary equals to something 1 lakh. I'm changing 50,000 to 1 lakh. Where ID equals to 105. So both the columns age and employee salary values will be updated to 105 record. So if you are not giving where class in this query, so in the age column, the values will be updated with the 30. So all the values will be updated with 30 and all the salaries will be updated with the 1 lakh. So that you have to use the where condition. So just select the query and update the, select the query and execute. Zero errors. So just execute that. So I'm retrieving the data from the new employee table. See that. So have updated with the age and employee salary with the with the age 30 and salary 1 lakh. So if you want to update the values for the particular record, you have to use the where class. So here, just observe that. So I'm not using single quotes for the numbers. Just I'm using single quotes or double quotes for the strings and dates. So why? Because that is the just we have to know that difference between. So why we are using the single quotes for the strings? So single quotes or double quotes are using to enclose the string literals. Means to enclose the collection of characters. We have to use the single quotes and double quotes. And we are numbers do not require any single quotes because numbers not converted into the sequence of characters. So it will converted into the numbers. So I get. So any doubts?
No.
So for numbers, we no need to use the single quotes because MySQL server to perform mathematical operations directly on the numbers without any parsing.
So only strings under
Yeah, we are using the single quotes and double quotes for strings. Strings means names and department names, any email IDs and dates. So we can also use single quotes and or double quotes for the dates. So MySQL server dates also consider as a strings.
okay.
So remember that point. So already I kept that note in PPT. Just read that.
Okay.
So now I have updated two values. So in the age column and employee salary for 105 ID. So next one, delete command. So delete command is used to delete the records. So delete from table name, new employee, where ID equals to something, where ID equals to, suppose I'm deleting 105 record. So 0 errors. So again retrieve the data. So see that 105 record has deleted. So we can also delete one or more records by using the in operator. So I will explain that during the session of the in operator. So now I'm showing how to use the JSON format. So how to use the JSON data type for JSON text. So we have different types of data types, right? String data types and numeric date data types, JSON data type. Just we have so we have seen that string and numeric and date data types. So we did not see the JSON data type. So JSON data type is used to store the JSON formatted data like key value pairs. So no need to use data type separately. So ID, so it is in the format of JSON, ID and key value pairs. Key means this is the ID, value means our values records. So just name is the column name and Fratello is the value in that column name. So just I'm showing that how to use the JSON data type. Just I'm creating the table. Suppose employee address. So employee has address ID integer data type and address has some fields, right? Means street number and street name, pin code and city. So that all fields are come under address, right? So
Yeah.
no need to create separately. So if we are if we create separately that fields, so we need to give data type separately. So if you are using JSON data type, so we can store all fields in the single call. So just I am giving the JSON data type for the address column, 0 errors. So I'm inserting the value into the JSON format. So insert into table name, just give the column names ID and address and values. So ID I'm taking 1 and address. So address we have given JSON data type. So we have to store the values in the JSON format only. So just give the single flower brace. Next one something street number. Address has some fields, street number. Street number I'm taking 42B something. So next one street name. Street name something I'm taking KPHP. So you can take any name. Just I'm taking KPHP. Something pin code. I'm taking 50090 something. So I'm storing these values. I'm storing this value into the single call.
Mm.
See that. So for address, we have different types of fields. Street number, address is also another entity. So street number and street name, pin code are the properties of the address.
Okay.
So I'm creating separately. So I'm not creating separately. Just I'm using just JSON format for the address field. So I'm inserting the values into the address field as JSON format. So this is the JSON format. Key value pairs. Key is the street number and value is 42B. Street
Okay.
name is also key and value pairs.
Okay. Okay. So for everything we have a set of 2
Yeah.
for JSON.
Yeah. So to retrieve the data, so just for normal table,
Mm.
select start from. So just I'm retrieving the data. Sorry. Just select the data and insert that. So again retrieve the data. See that. So all fields in the single call.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm inserting one more record. Just see the difference. So I'm taking street number ID to.
Sorry to disturb, but can we stop the class after this? I have to go
Yeah.
somewhere. Else.
Okay. You want to leave?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I will continue tomorrow.
Oh, okay, sure. Thank you. So we stop in your JSON formats, right?
Yeah, JSON format.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.